Hey Mark, have you thought about Articulate Storyline 360 for e-learning?
I've heard it's pretty powerful. What makes it stand out?
One of its standout features is its ease of use. You don't need to be a coding whiz to create engaging e-learning content. The interface is intuitive, making it accessible for beginners and experts alike.
That's great. I've been wanting to develop some e-learning modules, but I'm not exactly a tech genius.
Storyline 360 also offers a lot of interactive features. You can incorporate quizzes, simulations, and branching scenarios to make the learning experience more engaging and immersive.
That sounds perfect for keeping learners interested and involved. What about customization options?
Storyline 360 is all about customization. From fonts and colors to animations and transitions, you can tailor every aspect of your course to fit your brand and learning objectives.
That's fantastic. What about responsive design?
Storyline 360 makes your courses look great on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. And its responsive playback and touch gestures enhance the mobile learning experience.
Perfect. How about collaboration tools?
You can easily share projects with team members with Storyline 360 for feedback and review. It even integrates with content management systems like Articulate 360 Teams to streamline the workflow.
Sounds like Articulate Storyline 360 has everything we need to create engaging e-learning content.
Absolutely. It's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their e-learning courses and deliver truly impactful learning experiences. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.